What's up, guys? Today let's talk about young guys who want to start their photography careers from the scratch. Most times when we train guys, the major question they get to ask is, boss, where do I start from? Now I have the skill, I have the ideas, I am now empowered to go out there and achieve. Where do I start from? I do not have a camera, I do not have lenses, I do not have speed lights, I have nothing. How do I start? If you are one of such people, this video is for you. After acquiring all the knowledge you need, the major things you need are equipment, tools. I want to believe that you do not have the money to go about this, to start buying this equipment, because cameras and all this stuff can be very, very expensive. There are people out there who already have all this and they put them out on hire. Partner with them. Find out how much they hire this equipment. Go out there, source for jobs. Partner with people, partner with companies. Jobs will start coming in. Get these jobs. Then when you get them, calculate how much it will cost you to execute by hiring this, hiring that, and then you build everything into the, and of course, your markup. Execute these jobs. As time goes by, you will start raking in profits, little profits. In my opinion, the first thing you should go out to buy is a speed light. Make sure you buy one that uses trigger. Why I mention speed light is because speed lights are usually not always available, and it's one of those things you need mostly to shoot good pictures. That's why I chose a speed light first. A camera can be very, very costly, but this you can buy within some months, within some weeks. So you just buy this and then keep hiring cameras to do your shoot. With time, you can increase this into 2. With this 2, you can achieve a whole lot. In fact, you're already a standard studio. Sorry, you're already a studio, not standard studio. You're already a studio because you can at least handle 2-point lighting using this. Okay, with trigger, you slave them and then you are good to go. Get somebody to assist you with holding the light if you do not have a light stand. So after achieving this, the next thing, in my opinion, that you should go for are studio backgrounds. With about 5,000 naira Nigerian money, you can get one. So I will advise that you get like 2 different colors. Then go to any fabrication yard. That was what I did, man. That was what I did. I went to a fabrication yard. This guy's name was Chibike, yeah. Went to him. Hey, look at, I want this, I want that. A tripod that can hold like a rod above and stuff like that. And then within a week, he was able to come up with a perfect tripod and stand that I can use for my backdrop. And that's what I did. With just about 15,000 naira, I think, yeah. I was able to come up with something beautiful. I just hung my this thing on it, my background on it, and then studio. And then I started off shooting in a studio. So another thing you should go for is this. This right here is called a soft box, octagon or something, umbrella. With this, you can actually, the standard thing are strobe lights. The standard stuff you should get is a strobe light, the studio strobes. But in a situation whereby you do not have them, all these are DIY, like do it yourself. In a situation whereby you do not have this, you simply buy this to use this inside it, and it does the same work. So this may not have all the powers in a strobe light, but it does the work perfectly. Okay, so just open your soft box and put this speed light inside it, and then you're as good as running a studio. The next problem you want to face is this: space. Where do I locate my studio? I do not have money to hire or to rent an office. Forget that. You talk that thing. You don't have a house? You don't have where you stay? Set your stand up in the house. Your backdrop, set it up in the house. Put your stuff there. And then start. People will come. As long as you are doing a good job, people will come shoot in your studio. This is how you grow. This is where you start from. Okay. So you will see that with this, as you move on, things will get better. Ideas will come, people will come, and if you're lucky enough, somebody will come and partner with you in your business and take your business to another level. Okay? So basically, this video, like I said earlier on, is for young ones or youngsters who want to start their photography career. This exactly is how you can start. I am talking from experience. This was how I started. Thank you guys. I hope you are inspired. I hope this video will encourage you. You can also share this video to others to see, and then I will also encourage you to subscribe and like this video, subscribe, and then if you have any questions at all, any questions, I beg guys, drop them for comment section. Let's take it from there. I'll be available to answer all the questions you may want to ask. I'll see you next time in the next video. Peace out, guys.